Hey guys, what's up? It's Liz and Matt here, and we are so excited to show you this event. It only happens once a year. We're going to go around and show you some of the best things to see at Sydney Vivids and some of our personal highlights. Dark Spectrum is a fully immersive sound and lighting experience that takes place in the old railway tunnels underneath of Sydney.
So just finished up at Vivid House and Vivid Fire Kitchen. The actual food from there, absolutely brilliant. But yeah, I think we're going to walk and find something else.
The Vivid's Light Trail this year is 8.5 kilometres long, and we've done our best to cover it all. There is everything from artistic projections onto buildings, light sculpture displays, water shows and immersive sound experiences.
And one of our favourite events would be Dark Spectrum.
Some of our other favourites included Elemental, which is a water show that happened down at Darling Harbour using lights and pyrotechnics on the water to create an immersive experience. Along with that, we also really enjoyed Dance Together, which is also in the Darling Harbour precinct, which was designed to bring people back together since the pandemic.
Alright, that's Vivid Sydney done.
We've had such a good time here and we hope we get to come back in the future. If you ever get the chance to come to Sydney while Vivid is on, absolutely do it. If you want to be as close to everything as possible, our recommendation after having walked the whole light trail would be to stay in the Rocks area, as you're never far from all the big attractions in that area or can easily get public transport from there.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and certainly subscribe if you want to see more.
See you soon.